and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. It is time to announce our new shop launch items for July. So I do need to let you know of sort of a couple of things that have already launched for July. So we have updated the Paint Gem mini covers and stickers to include the most recent. As I'm filming this, the most recent was mushrooms and birthstones, but they are all up there now, and we of course try and keep on top of them as soon as we can. We also have launched our advent calendar for December. So this is a 24-day advent. This is the size of box that the advent comes in. We are waiting on the last couple of bits, and then we will update our pictures with something a little bit more recent, but of course not giving away secrets. We do have a pre-order for this, so it will ship in September of this year, of course, 2023, and our pre-order offer is free shipping on the advent, and then there will be some available come September, but they will incur shipping. So depending on where you are in the world, that could increase your cost quite a bit. So free standard shipping is included. If you are outside of the UK and the US, you can add track shipping for just a small £5, and you can add tracked shipping, but standard shipping is included. But for this month's items, while we do have a few, we have limited the amount of limited items because we do realise that quite a few are going to use the opportunity to purchase the advent. So we're having a bit of a purple month this month, hence this is balanced on top of things underneath. But yeah, we are on a purple month for July. Primarily, there is something that's not necessarily purple. But first up, we have the launch of our basic colour in stock permanent tray in our sort of periwinkly type purple. So it is primarily purple. I look at it and see purple, but there is hints of blue. We have that available in our standard Add More Zest tray, our Zesty tray, and our Trashy tray. So they are now in stock on the website, and they will stay in stock on the website. We will be, so if you don't want to add that this month, that can be something you can add in a future month. Our limited edition is a purple, but it's a purple and silver. So it is one of our two-tone trays, purple and silver. We have that in the big Add More Zest tray. We also have it in the Zesty tray. So can you see here we've got a little bit more of the two lines, and the silver here has a little bit more of the purple showing. They do print differently. Some of them do print with more of a prominent silver, some of them with a little bit more of a two-tone. And then of course you can see that the bottoms of the trays are slightly different between some of them, and that can vary in sizes and trays. We also have the bundle that will include the Trashy tray. So you can get the bundle with the Trashy tray, or you can get each tray individually. We also have, to go with, a purple luminous pen. So if I turn off my light, and you should be able to see that little bit of glow. It's not been under this light very long, so it hasn't charged up fully, but this is a purple luminous pen. Absolutely gorgeous different sequins in there, and you can choose to have the plastic pen tips with this or not. There's no additional cost. It's just if you don't use plastic pen tips, you might want to not add them to your pile of things that you don't use. So they are the main launch items this month, but what we are also launching alongside is some of our trashy trays in older colours. So if you can see here, we have some of our two-tone blue and green, some of the pink and orange. We have some of our basic colours in various different colours. We have some of our glitter ones. There are limited amounts of some of these, or we even have our pink and green. This actually, there's not very many of these, but this was in our advent for last year in a big tray. So this is actually a trashy of it. So the listings will be up as a two-tone, a glitter or a plain, but which one you get will be a mystery. We will try and accommodate any requests that are in the comments, but it is not something that we can guarantee at all. But we will be popping these up so that some of you can grab hold of maybe a little bit of a different mystery type trashy. So it'll be a mystery glitter or a mystery two-tone or a mystery base colour. And there's quite a few more underneath there as well, but these will also be listed. So they are limited edition. This is stock, and our advent pre-order is also up for shipment in September, and we do have lots of stock. We have gone over on our estimations. We've taken our estimation and gone even higher than that to avoid disappointment for this year. But these all launch on the 14th of July at 9 p.m. BST. So we're on British Summer Time, 9 p.m. So you can pop into Google the date, the time, and our time zone of BST, and then ask to go to and whatever your time zone is, and it will tell you what time it is where you are, which may be in the future, it may be in the past, depending on where you live. But these are all up on the website now. You can sign up to the wait list to be notified via email when these items go live, if that's your preferred method. And I say limited, once they are gone, they are gone, but these basic will stay. Also, I say we have the updates of the Paint Gem mini sets. That is a stock item. We also have the new glue strips that did actually go up for last launch. They were due a couple of days after launch, but these glue strips are also on the website. A lot of people like to use these for multi-places because you can trim them to size, so it is a strip of glue rather than dots of glue. So yeah, that's also been put up in the last month. So yeah, let us know your thoughts, comments, etc. in the box below. If you've got any questions, ask them down there and I will get back to you as soon as possible. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.